good morning students. Now we are going to solve the exercise 2.1 on the basis of last class explanation. That whatever I told in the last class about the place value and the number system, whatever I taught in the last class, on that basis only we have to solve this exercise. Now we are going to solve the question number 1. That is, arrange the following numerals in Indian place value chart and then rewrite them with commas at the right places. Now, first we have to arrange the following numbers in Indian system and then rewrite them with commas. The first question is 5020. 5020. It means we have to make a chart of this number on the basis of Indian numeral system. On the basis of Indian numeral system. That is, I already told in the last class that we have to make this chart, then only we can have easy method to know what is the place value of which number. That is ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. Because here we have 4 digits, then we have only 4 boxes. Now 5, 0, 2, 0. Like this, that is 5 comes under thousand place and 0 comes under hundreds, 2 comes under tens and 0 comes under ones. Then we have to write that 5020, because in Indian system after hundreds and thousand, before thousand we have to put the comma. Then it means we have to put comma after hundreds place. Like this we have to write this number. Now second, eight triple 3. In this also we have to first draw a chart. That is ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000. It have 5 digits. Then we have to draw 5 boxes. That is ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000. Here 3, 000. Then 8. It means it will come that 80,000. 8 means 8. 10,000 means 80. That is 80,003. Like this, we have to put comma in this number. The remaining 2 questions are given for you as a homework. Now we go for second question. That is, write the following numerals in words in the Indian system. Write in words. The question is 53106. 53,106. Before writing in words, we have to make them to read easily. That's we have to count ones, tens, hundreds, then put comma. It will comes that 53,106. Now you are ready for writing this numeral into words easily. That 53 thousand 106. The second one, 59,000. That is question D. I will take question number D. That is 30,33,030. 30,33,030. Here we have 7 numbers. Here we have 7 numbers. Then simply draw. Put the commas, ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. It means it will be 30 lakh, 33,000, 30. Then we write 30 lakh, 33,000 and 30. Or you can simply write 30. Now the others, express the following numbers written in the Indian system in figures, placing the commas at the right place. Here we have written that numbers in words, but now in question number 3, we have question in words. We have to write it in the numerals with the help of commas. The first question is 15,682. As the question also shows that 15,000 means we have to put, first we have to write 15, then again put comma, then 682. 682. Like this we can easily write the numerals also by reading the numbers or words in the right manner. Now the second question is 19,001, that is C. 19,001. Here 19,000 means we have to write 19 first, then put comma. Again, there is no hundreds and no tens. Here there is no hundreds and there is no tens. Then simply, when we don't have any numbers in the places in between the given numbers, then simply we have to put 0 in 100 place and again in tens place. Then it is given 1, we have to write it 1. Like this, we can write the numbers very easily. Now, question number 4. Rewrite the numbers into international system with the help of place value chart. with proper commas in international system with place value chart. That is first question. Three six four six 19. 36461 In this, we have to draw a chart of international system, that is ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000 and 100,000. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000 and 100,000. Here we have put 9, 1, 6, 4, 6, 3. Now easily we can put commas in this number. That is, after ones, tens, hundreds we have to put, that is 3, 6, 4, 6, 1, 9. After 6 and before 4 we have to put one comma. That in this number we have only one comma, that is 364,619. Like this, the second one. One six seven 9102. 1679102. Here again we have to draw a chart. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, 100,000 and million. In international system we have millions, that 1679102. Now we can put the commas easily because we know which number is under which place value. That is 1,679,102. Like this we can write the numbers and make a place value chart. Now you can do the remaining questions. And now I will go for question number 5. Question number 5. Write the number names of the following in international system. Write the number name in the international system. The first question is 36, 0520. Now first we have to put the commas on the basis of international system, that is ones, tens, hundreds, comma, then 1000, 10,000 and 100,000. Now we have to write it, that is 360, 360,000 500, 520. Then second one, that is question number C, 701 0008. Here again we have to put commas after three digits. That is 7,000,000 1,000 10,000 7,000,000 10,000 and 8. Because in internal system we have make a commas in a place a commas in between 3 digits. That's why we have to place the commas in between 3 digits, and after thousands it will come millions, and in Indian system it come after 2 numbers lakh. That's why here we write million, and in Indian system it will be changed by 2 numbers. Like this we have to write the numbers in words in international system. Now we have to go for question number 6, that is using the international place value chart, write the numeral for each of the following, placing the commas at the right places. Write the numeral with the help of international system, by placing commas in proper place. The question is, $305,682. 305,682. 682. It means The 3 digits are these. This is the first group and this is the second group. 305 we have to write as ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000. That is ones, tens, hundreds, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. That is 305, 682. Then simply we have to put, that is 305, comma 682. Like this we can write the numerals. Now 2,310,108. That is third question. 2,310,000 108. 108. In this question, we can make it 3 groups. That is, first one, second, this one, and third one is this. We can write it as two, 3, 1, 0, 1, 0, 8. That is ones, tens, hundreds, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, and it is million. Now we can put here one comma and here one comma. That is 2,310,108. Like this we can write the numbers by putting the commas in a proper places. Now I finished that exercise and the remaining questions which I have left in the exercise, we have to do the questions in the home, and if you have any doubt, then without any hesitation you can contact